Hey everyone, and welcome back to Successvault. If you'd like to earn some extra pocket cash and don't want the regular part-time job, the internet offers a treasure trove of unique ways to work on your own terms. With a connection to the web, you can jumble together an array of part-time jobs. Today we're going to be talking about the top 15 free websites to make money online. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss a big website with big earning opportunities. Number 10. Swagbooks. Swagbooks is a site that hosts many different tasks that you can get paid to complete. It is similar to those sites that pay you to complete online surveys, but with many more options on what you can complete. This site is great for any age and is mostly popular with teenagers looking to make a quick buck. Quick cash is the name of the game for Swagbooks. This may not be ideal if you're looking for a large amount of money to make monthly, but if you need a little bit just to add to your savings, this site can definitely help. It doesn't take much time or skills. Just find a task that you want to do and complete it. You'll earn a couple of bucks from it. Spend your whole day doing this and you can earn quite a decent amount. Since it is so simple, you can set your own pace and earn whenever you need or want. Try it out. Number 9. Fiverr. Fiverr is a well-known website that hosts sellers that are looking to sell multiple services. The premise sounds basic, but the actual expanse of the website is huge. You don't need any major technical skills, and you can sell something as simple as video greetings. This is great for beginner freelancers, so you can build up a portfolio and a reputation. With Fiverr, you can set up a selling account and put up gigs. You can have multiple gigs, so you don't have to limit yourself. Maybe you have more than one skill, and that can be useful on Fiverr. The more gigs you have, the more chances you have of being seen, and that can equal a higher opportunity to sell. Fiverr runs on a starred rating system, so the better you perform, the higher your rating will be. Higher ratings make you more likely to sell, since buyers will want a reputable seller. The more you sell, the faster the orders will come in. It may be slow at first, but once you get that first order in, it all snowballs from there. Number 8. Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is like a glorified version of Swagbooks. This site allows you to get paid for doing simple tasks that don't require any specific set of skills. Anyone can join and start earning. This is a site run by Amazon, so you know it's going to be legit. Here are some things you can do to start earning money using Mechanical Turk. You can complete simple tasks such as finding pictures of certain objects. There are also data entry jobs, but each task pays a different amount. So there's always something for your needs on this site. It doesn't take long to complete, so you shouldn't need to invest a whole lot of time to make some money. But do keep in mind, some of these tasks will only pay you a few cents. If you spend a few hours on this site, you can easily rack in a few bucks. It is quick cash, so don't expect a monthly salary's worth of earnings, but it is still something that you may want to consider trying because hey, it's a quick way to get paid. Number 7. Zirtual. Next on this list is something a bit time consuming, but it is also something that pays well. Zirtual is a website that pairs you with a busy person. They then task you with doing certain jobs, so you're basically working as a virtual assistant. This job is highly rewarding considering the tedious nature of the tasks needed to do it. Virtual assistants are in high demand nowadays. They do all kinds of things such as researching topics, summarizing findings, drafting emails, or even personal things like reserving a table at a restaurant. There are plenty of jobs to do, and you will need to have good people skills to hold this position. Virtual assistants work on weekdays full-time. They earn a base salary of $11 an hour. That's not even bad considering you can do all of this work from home. If you feel this is a job you fit into, check out Zirtual today. Number 6. Photolia. Photography is a great hobby to have, and maybe it's your hobby. If that's the case, you can start selling stock images and you can sell them right now. Stock images are photos that are used for publications, videos, and other media. The people that use these images pay for them, and you get a cut. You can check out Photolia and become a stock image photographer today. You can photograph just about anything. Nature photos, photos of models, you name it. Publishers are looking for all kinds of photos, and Photolia is a reputable website with many users. This means you have a good chance of selling on there. It also helps to make sure your images stand out. There are so many of the same kind of image out there. Find out what people are really looking for, something not easily available on the website, and photograph that. That will help you to sell. And with this website, you can earn a decent cut as long as you upload a large catalog of images. Number 5. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows users who have written books to upload and sell them on Amazon. These will then be available for purchase on Amazon Kindle devices. Basically, you will be selling ebooks. If you're a writer, this is a great opportunity for you. Number 4, Skillshare. Online learning is huge right now, and it's expected to stay in the spotlight for quite some time. Skillshare is a site that uses the online platform to teach people a ton of skills. You can learn anything from filmmaking to graphic design to law. It is a great tool to use if you want to learn, but it's also a great tool if you want to earn. On Skillshare, you can sell your own course. Find something that you excel in and create a nice-looking class for it. The popular classes usually have nice presentation and nice settings. Be as informative as possible, but don't let the class run on for too long. Classes that are about an hour or less seem to do the best. You won't need a teaching degree, so you can come from any background and still earn on Skillshare. You can also get help on the website's forums in case you need any. On average, Skillshare teachers make around $3,500 a year, which isn't that bad for a passive income. Number 3, Elance. Are you a freelancer? Well, here's a website that will be beneficial to you. Elance is a website that allows people in almost any profession to find freelancing gigs at home. You don't need much time for this either, and the earnings can be a great start. Elance hosts jobs for freelancers, so there's always going to be an opening for something on there. Widen your skills and figure out what you can be hired for. This site is mainly targeted at employers, so get their attention by having a nice resume. It won't earn you a large amount, but you can build up a nice portfolio, which is very important for the career of a freelancer. Try it out today. It will help you to earn a bit while building a career. You can also network on sites like this, and networking helps you find connections for more job opportunities. It works out for both you and the employers. Number 2, YouTube. YouTube is full of content. A lot of the content you watch has ads playing either before or during the video. Every time you see an ad, it means that user is making money. Now think about it. That's a lot of ads, right? A lot of people are monetizing their YouTube account, and you can too. You first need a good subscriber and view account. Once you hit that mark, you'll be eligible to monetize the account. Monetizing comes with rules, so follow them carefully in order to keep your videos from being demonetized. When you monetize, ads will appear before and during your videos. There is also the option of sponsorships. You can find someone that will pay you to advertise their company or product in your videos. You may have noticed a lot of YouTubers saying, "This video was brought to you by Squarespace." That is an example of a sponsorship. The rules of sponsorships are usually less strict, so if you can't get monetized, you may still be able to get a sponsorship. Patreon is the third option. You can set up a Patreon account and link it to your subscribers. If they like your content, they can then pay you a certain amount monthly, and you can offer exclusive content in exchange for a higher payment. Lastly, you can have affiliate links. Amazon offers an affiliate link program where you can link an item, and when someone clicks on it to buy, you get a cut. There are plenty of great options for getting paid on YouTube, so check out which is the best for your circumstance. Number 1, Upwork. Upwork is another famous freelancing site. The website hosts plenty of open jobs for gigs in a variety of different fields. If you're a freelancer, it is almost a necessity to sign up for this website. The pay can be good as well, with people earning anywhere from $10 an hour all the way up to $100 an hour depending on the job and the scope of the work. Upwork has a consistent flow of new jobs, and as a freelancer, you should find what jobs you're able to accomplish and apply to as many of them as you can. You start out with 10 connect points, and then you can use those to apply and send your proposals. The more work you get, the more points you get. So, once you book one gig, you can start getting a whole lot more. It is like other freelancing sites where it pays to have a nice portfolio. You should also prepare resumes and nice cover letters. Impress your employers and watch as you gain a great earning. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.